So I decided to make my egg ravioli. Oh, there's all sorts of noises going on behind me. It's quite amazing being up at this time in the middle of the bush. It's beautiful. I love zipping around with my dad. He's such a good pilot and he's been flying for 25 years. And I thought, what better than to make some burgers.
Hey, my boy.
Hello.
Good to see you, John.
I am having a barbecue this evening. I've got all my besties here, as you can see. They are enjoying themselves, having a few drinks, the sun's going down. Everything is just perfect. I'm gonna show you how to do a braai when you've got friends. You actually wanna enjoy yourself and be able to socialize and have a few drinks, but at the same time you wanna rock an amazing meal. This is my first time cooking with them, so I'm really excited to try it out. A last seasoning, and there we have a delicious eggy pizza. It tastes exactly like a chicken egg would. I'm gonna cook us up some little kebab vibes. What I wanna do first is actually get these on the grill. I'm just gonna lay them nicely on the pan. I've got a nice red onion here. Squeeze it over. All those delicious flavors that are gonna help bronze the meat.